This is unbelievable. You would swear that this bird is dead. But actually what he is doing is he is sunbaking, or should we say sunbathing. And he's sunbathing on our outside lounge. Look at that. Closes his wings and then he'll open them again, because they just love the warmth that radiates from this particular lounge. It's very soft, and of course it breathes very well, being the type of fabric that it is. So here you are, you're watching one of our regular hot birds quietly sunbathing on a Friday afternoon at approximately 3 p.m. It's the 4th of March 2011. There you go, getting up again now, and then we'll stretch out again. There you go. Isn't that amazing? Seen it with your own eyes. I'll let it run for another 30 seconds or so. Oh, there we go. He's gone. I'm sure he'll be back again soon. Bye.